for the mountain, for the morning. May the earth receive this gift.
That coil looks good.
Yes, but this one is frayed. Better to leave it.
Checked.
Secure.
We haven't seen a wall this rich in years. Steady on the ropes. Steady now. Steady now. Dropping the next one. Brace yourself.
Got it. Send it down.
Thin streams of amber honey trace familiar paths over scars in the stone, proof of many.
Keep steps small and wait in line with the wall.
Shift your weight to the right slowly now.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Hold the secondary line firm. The weight is shifting.
I have it. Easing the tension now.
Easy with the line. How's the haul? Heavy, but steady. Send down the next basket. Sideways! To the ledge! Now! 1, 2, 3, 4, 4! Brace for impact. Now, push off hard for the final swing. Swing your weight. Get your foot right here. Steady now, you're almost there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 holds.
That was too close. We need a new line.
We have enough honey. Let's secure the ladder.
Yes, the bees are getting agitated.
Check the knots on that one.
Frayed here.
Set the ladder aside for repair.
Just slide it slowly. We are right here.
Okay, I feel it moving now.
That was a heavy haul.
Worth the climb, though. Look at this comb.
Be careful with that one.
It stings less now. Kael, are yours bad?
I've had worse. Keep sorting the dark ones. That looks wonderful.
Smells incredible.
Namaste.
Carrying much today.
Yes, almost done.
Watch the stones on the lower path. We've cleared the main slide here.
That last storm nearly took the whole upper path.
These new splices should hold better than the old ones.
Pay attention here. The final hitch must lock against itself, like this. Otherwise, the edge will cut it.
Did you secure the livestock gate?
Yes, just finished. Everything is put away for the night.